What's good? It's your girl African Doll, and I'm back with another video. Today I will be doing the unboxing, the unpacking, or whatever you want to call it, of the Dot or whatever, and I will be comparing it to my my Kylie Jenner lipstick I have, or whatever, lip gloss lipstick, whatever you want to call it. I'll be comparing it to that. But before we get started, make sure you thumbs up this video, spam the comments with dog game, and do not forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I post a video. I do not know what just happened. I just took a big pause. But anyways, into the video. Okay, so before we start, are you subscribed, sis? Are you subscribed? Let me give you a moment. I'm going. It's right there. Right there. Do it. Okay, anyways. It came in this. I only ordered one because I'm not into spending money on stuff that I don't know how it's gonna be, and then what if I spend a lot of money on something and I don't like it? But it came in this or whatever. Before I do that, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be comparing it to. I'm gonna be comparing it to my Kylie Jenner little lip thing. My lip thing, and what is this? Yeah, it just says Kylie Jenner, and it's in, hold on. It's in the color Bear. It's in Bear, and it looks like this, huh? Looks like this. And it's super cute when you put it on. But I don't put too much of this on. I do like the lip liner and stuff when I do it. So I don't put too much of it on. So I'm gonna get it off. Get some cotton balls. Okay. So it came in this, so I'm just gonna open it. It's really cute though. I love the packaging or whatever. It's cute. But it's just simple or whatever. And the inside of it is great. So it came with this card. Okay, sis, you look good. Okay, it came with this card. It's basically a picture of Jania Meshell. And sis, you look good. And it just have Jania Meshell. It says thank you, dolled up by Jania. And it has her Instagram, dolled up by Jania. And it has JaniaMeshell.net. That's her website. So make sure y'all go check that out. This is cute. You look good. Then it came in this. It's like a, okay, I'm sorry about that. My camera had cut off. But hold on. Okay, so it came in this little black little container, this little black little box or whatever. And it has all the ingredients that's in it or whatever. Can y'all see? It's I don't think I can really see it, but it's black, but it has a little rainbowish look. Can y'all see it? You see it? Okay. But it's black with a little rainbow thing around it or whatever. And it says dolled up by Jania or whatever. And it just tells you everything that's in it or whatever. Yeah. And I open it. Yes, sis. Yes. Okay. Oh, this is cute. So it comes in this, and again, it says dolled up by Jania. I know you guys can see it. Let me turn this way. It says dolled up by Jania. Okay, so I got this in cinnamon, and it comes out like that. Can y'all see? I don't know why I did that because I can't see it. I'm gonna put it right here. Get some more product. Oh, this is cute. Oh. Why am I comparing it to a nude then? Maybe I'm gonna put it in with the nude, because I thought this was gonna be a nudish color. So that's why. And excuse my head. Excuse my head. But this is the Kylie Jenner little lip gloss or whatever. I'm gonna put this on the back of my head. Those two will be cute as shit together. You see? But the Kylie has more of a pigment. This is more of a gloss. So I don't think I really should compare this. But I'm gonna try them on and see how both of them look together. So that's what I'm finna do. First, I'm gonna try on it's in cinnamon. Cinnamon by dolled by Jania. I'm gonna try that one on first. Okay. Let's see, sis. It's not sticky or anything. Hold on, cause see, the sound lip gloss is popping. Period. Period. And it's really cute. Like, I'm gonna have to come across again so you guys can see it. Okay, so we're gonna see how Daughter by Jania looks with the Bear Cali. So with the Bear Cali, I don't just take a whole bunch of this because a lot is a lot. So I like put like a little bit of dabs right here. I put a little bit of dabs. But for one, that just made a whole mess. So I'm gonna take Daughter by Jania. I know like a clown. Okay, we're gonna start off. Sis look like a clown. So I don't think that's cute. So we're gonna try again.
You know you want this.
I'm using the cotton ball. I'm gonna put this on first. Okay. Taking the curly. Taking the curly. I took that much. And I'm gonna rub that off. And I'm taking a Daughter by Jania. And I'm gonna put it on. I got lipstick on my face. And I really like this because I love the, okay, my camera, it's like stupid. Okay, so I like this because I like how glittery it is. And you don't have to use a lot.
You know you want this.
Y'all see it's all over my face. Like, see, it's a lot of glitter in here. So. But yeah, this is how it looks with both of them on. I don't know how I feel about it, but this is how both of them look on. But maybe I should do my makeup and put them on right now. Bare face, no lashes, like just normal me. But I'm gonna take this off, and then I'm gonna come back and just try the Jania Meshell on. Then I'm gonna come back and just try the Cali on, and y'all tell me which one you like better. But I feel like I can't really compare these, because one is a gloss and one is like a matte-ish looking. Like this is like matte to me, and this is like gloss glittery. So maybe I should try with like a different gloss or whatever. But yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna try this one on by itself. Yeah, y'all see how it applies? It's like really smooth, and it's not sticky. Ugh, it's getting messy. Y'all ignore the glitter on my face because I keep getting this stuff on my face. Ignore the glitter on my face. You don't really need a lot. I like a lot of gloss. This is like a cute go-to gloss. But yeah, I was gonna try this on, but that's gonna be a hot ass mess. But make sure you thumbs up this video, and if you like these, make sure you go shop online at Dolled Up by Jania on Instagram or whatever. Everybody knows who she is, so I don't have to tell y'all who she is. Make sure y'all go check out sis. Check out sis, because sis is cute. Period. Like sis is so cute. thumbs up this video, subscribe, and do not forget to come back again and spam the comments with dog gang. And if you're not a dog, and you want to become a dog, all my baby dogs are welcome. So make sure you subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I post a video.